The Animal Health Business Group is active wherever there's the risk of pests and animal diseases. We work with veterinarians and farmers to safeguard the health of animals and therefore make a crucial contribution to guaranteeing the food supply. Biovaccines lessen the risk of infectious diseases that threaten the health of animals. They also help to ward off financial damage. Animals are at risk from the most varied pests in their pens and around the farmyard. These products provide effective protection against flying and crawling insects. Our vaccines against foot and mouth disease, shipping fever and swine fever have set standards. Prevention is better than cure. We're also working on alternative methods to protect animals and thereby ensure food safety. At present, there's no alternative to intensive animal husbandry to feed the world. Companion animals in the household belong to our modern quality of life. We are a reliable partner for owners in veterinary healthcare matters. Animals living with the family can transmit diseases. It's especially important to protect children against this risk. Parasites, such as ticks, fleas and worms, have to be combated effectively. Long-term protection can only be provided by efficient products. We develop these substances at our research center in Monheim. The correct use of veterinary drug products is a vital precondition for protecting both the environment and consumers. We monitor the development of resistances in pests and develop new active substances. We make an essential contribution to the promotion of healthcare in the fight against malaria and other tropical diseases. Not only insects, but also rats and mice are a threat to our food supply. We therefore develop environmentally sound and effective products for pest control. Bayer Animal Health is a world leader in all fields of animal health and pest control.